Today we introduce Zhulong newly developed desktop 4040 laser engraving and cutting machine. The device comes with a simple and user-friendly control panel, making operation intuitive and easy. Even first-time users can get started quickly. We also design multiple power interfaces for the device, ensuring stable operation in different voltage environments. The machine's compact size makes it easy to transport, reducing shipping costs, and is suitable for various working environments. Whether it's wood, leather, paper, or acrylic, this machine can handle it all. It also features a manually adjustable work platform, making it easy to operate. Users can effortlessly adjust the height to accommodate different material thicknesses. Our machine is equipped with a high-performance, independently developed laser tube, ensuring precise and delicate engraving results on various materials and providing long-lasting durability. Zhulong laser technology, creating endless possibilities. Now let's see how to install the desktop 4040 laser engraving and cutting machine. First, install the power cable plugged into the designated power port on the machine. Prepare a water tank for the cooling system. Take out the water pump and attach the pump head. Insert the water inlet hose into the water pump. Then place the water pump into the water tank. Make sure the water out hose is submerged in water. Plug in the water pump's power cable to power it up. Then take out the air pump and attach the air pump head. Connect the air hose to the pump head. Once connected, plug in the air pump's power cable. Next, remove the fan from its packaging and insert it into the designated slot on the machine. Connect the fan's power cable. Depending on your workplace, install the pipe to properly vent out fumes. Remove the items that come with the machine. Insert the key provided with the machine and turn it to the on position. Switch on the emergency button and lighting switch and then the main machine switch. With everything set up, your machine is now ready for use, enjoying your engraving.